Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can block someone on TikTok. So let's go to TikTok first. Then you can see here beside the home icon, friends option. Click on friends option, which is very bottom. After that you will find your friends here. Also you will find here your friends suggestions. So if you want to block someone on TikTok, you must click on the profile icon of that person. Just click on the profile picture. Then you'll find on top right corner share icon. Click on the share icon. Then you'll find very bottom block option. Beside the report, then you can see send message QR code. Click the block option. Then it will final warning for blocking that person. For the confirmation, if you click on that red button block, that person will be blocked from your profile. Okay guys, so this is how you can block someone on TikTok. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.